In the early 1900s, Japan was a small island nation with big dreams. After defeating Russia, Japan felt unstoppable, a new empire rising. But Japan had no oil, no iron, and too many mouths to feed. So Japan's leaders looked across the sea and saw a land full of resources: China. In 1931, an explosion on a railway in Manchuria became Japan's excuse. The army moved overnight, seizing cities while the world watched and did nothing. Japan built a puppet country called Manchukuo, ruled from Tokyo. As Japan's empire grew, so did its hunger for power, bringing the world closer to war. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more stories coming soon.